Hey everybody, my name is Anagha.
And my name is Alma.
Welcome back to our third website development lesson, More HTML Tags.
So for today's lesson, we will first have a brief recap of last month's lesson. Then we'll learn some new HTML tags, learn how to style HTML tags, and practice.
Here are some tags that we learned from the last class. The H1 through H6 tags are the heading tags in different sizes. The P tag is the paragraph tag. The href tag is the hyperlink tag. The img src tag is the tag used for images. Using a tag, an exclamation mark, and 2 dashes makes a comment.
The HTML tag contains all of the code for your site, including the metadata. The head tag includes just the metadata for the code. The title tag declares the title of your website. The body tag contains all of the code that you write for your website. The div tag creates a container that can hold multiple other tags to be used to organize your website better.
Now we will learn some new HTML tags. The doc type tag defines the document type. In our case, this would always be HTML. The BR tag creates a single line break within your website. The BR tag does not need a closing tag. The center tag makes the text center. However, this tag is not supported in HTML5, so if you're using HTML5, you would need to use CSS instead. Replit supports this tag, so we don't need to worry about not being able to use it.
The iframe tag embeds videos. Inside the tag, you can adjust the width and height of the video displayed to whatever dimensions you would like. The select and option tags define a drop-down list. However, we won't be able to choose any of the options from the drop-down menu yet. The HR tag creates a line break separating the lines of the website. It is similar to the BR tag, but instead of a blank line, there is a thin line instead.
Now we will learn how to style HTML tags. Some commonly styled tags include the image tag, the HR tag, the H1 to H6 tags, and the paragraph tag. For example, to style the image tag, use the format shown above. The width and the height determine how many pixels the dimensions are. Using this format will transform the image to have a height and width of 500 pixels.
Okay, now that we've finished learning some new tags, let's practice. Open up your Replit account and create a new HTML, JS, CSS project. Name this project Website Development Lesson 3. Now, we will do a walkthrough of how to use the new tags we have learned.
Here, we already took out the hello world and the existing comment. First, let's start with the center tag. Type the center tag and hi exclamation mark. The closing tag should already automatically be there. When we run the program, you should see that hi exclamation mark displays at the center of the console.
Next, we'll try out the HR tag. If we type in the HR tag and press run, you'll see a line break. You can also style the HR tag. Type in width equals 50%. When we run the program again, you should see that the line displayed is shorter, precisely half the size of the width of your screen.
Next, let's try the BR tag. Type in the BR tag in between the center text and the HR tag. When we run the program, we should see that there is a blank line between the center text and the line displayed.
Now, let's try styling the image tag. Use the image tag by copying the image address of the image of your choice. Press run to make sure that your image works. Now, let's format this image to have a width of 500 pixels and a height of 500 pixels. When we run the program again, you should see that your image has reformatted to be 2,500 square pixels big.
Next, let's try the iframe tag. Type in the iframe tag src equals to the link of the video you want. We suggest YouTube. Type in the closing tag. When we run the program, you should see your video pop up embedded into your site. We can also style the iframe tag by giving the width and the height parameters as we did with the image tag before.
Lastly, let's try the select and option tags. Type in the select tag, name equals cars, ID equals cars. In between the opening and closing select tags, type in the open option tag, value equals quotation marks, Volvo. Then just type in Volvo. You can repeat this process as many times as you want for as many options as you desire. The option tags created within the select tags will display a drop-down menu of choices.
Now that you have learned many new HTML tags, it's time for you to try out these tags by yourself. Your assignment for this lesson is to complete the restaurant menu project. First, create a title of your restaurant menu and be sure to center it with a large font at the top of your page. Use iframe to upload a video of one of your favorite recipes, and list at least 10 menu items with short descriptions, including which ingredients are used. Hint, you might want to use CSS to format the font sizes, as that is easier than using the width-height styling. Use the select tag to create a drop-down menu of all of the items on your menu. You don't need to worry about actually being able to press the options for an output just yet. In addition, use the HR and BR tags when necessary to format your menu as desired.
And we're done! Thank you for watching this lesson with me and Anagha. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us using our emails. Also, don't forget to send us a link to your restaurant menu project. See you next time!